Dear student, welcome to my channel. This is the 8th video on cryptography and system security. In this video, passive and active attacks are discussed with example. Now let us start. First, we will see the Kirchhoff principle. The advisory, that is nothing but attacker or cryptanalyst, knows all the details about the crypto system except the secret key. Kirchhoff principle is a fundamental concept in cryptography. It states that security of cryptographic system should not rely on the secrecy of the algorithm but on the secrecy of cryptographic key. A good cryptographic system should remain secure even if algorithm used is known. Now we will see the cryptanalytic attack. Two types are there, passive and active. We will see each type in detail. First, in passive attack, the attack is ciphertext only attack, that is called COA. Here the Alice and Bob are the two users. Communication takes between them, and Eve is attacker or cryptanalyst who intercept the channel. So when the Eve intercept the channel, she knows the ciphertext as well as she knows the encryption algorithm. So for example, Eve got the message XZNTY. Now the next work or job of the Eve is to decode the message. Now here the encryption algorithm, that is nothing but key and ciphertext, should be very resisting. Otherwise, it is very easy for the Eve to reveal the plain text from this encoded text. Here, the cryptanalyst doesn't have any of the plain text that went into the encryption algorithm. They have no idea about what plain text created the ciphertext. They are totally passive. That's why it is called passive attack. Most encryption algorithms are not vulnerable to this type of attack, and attacker probability of success is very low. Now we'll see the next attack, that is nothing but passive attack, called as a known plain text attack, KPA. Here the attacker knows encryption algorithm, ciphertext and one or more plain text ciphertext pairs. For example, here Eve knows the encryption algorithm, intercept the channel, so ciphertext, and she has a pair of one or more plain text and ciphertext pairs. For example, hello is there and its encrypted version, that is ciphertext core, is there. So it is obtained by using the shift cipher with key equal to 8. In this attack, the attacker knows the plain text that generates the ciphertext. They can't select the plain text, but they can observe the plain text and ciphertext pairs. The attacker has significantly better chance of success than ciphertext only attack, that is called COA. Simple XOR ciphers and the old PKZIP were vulnerable to this type of attack. From a historical context, this is the one of the approaches taken by Alan Turing and his team that deciphered the Nazi messages generated by German Enigma machine. That is, they knew that German messages had some common plain text in their messages, such as headers and weather forecast. Now we see the active attack. So first is Chosen-Plaintext attacks, that is called CPE. The attacker knows encryption algorithm, ciphertext, plain text message chosen by cryptanalysts, because here we can see in the diagram that Eve has control on the encryption side. So Eve can give some set of plain text and observe the ciphertext also. So plain text messages chosen by cryptanalysts together with its corresponding ciphertext generated with the secret key. Being able to choose any plain text and observing the ciphertext gives attacker a strong foothold into inner working of the algorithm and secret key. One approach here would be to generate a data set of popular plain text and ciphertext and then use this data base of common plain text ciphertext pair to determine the ciphertext input. By being able to select the plain text and observe the ciphertext, the chances of breaking the encryption is significantly increased. Now last attack, it is also of active attack in which Chosen-Ciphertext attack, that is CCA. Now here the attacker have control over the decryption side. So here the attacker knows encryption algorithm, ciphertext message chosen by cryptanalyst together with corresponding plain text generated with the secret key. So here the ciphertext as well as whatever the original message, that is decrypted message, is also with the attacker. Being able to choose any ciphertext and observing the plain text gives attacker a strong foothold into the inner working of the algorithm and the secret key. By being able to select the ciphertext and observe the plain text, the chances of breaking the encryption is significantly improved. So this is all about the active attack and passive attack. Thank you.